Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to read comments on Bluesky. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to the Bluesky application. Now, you can also do this on an application or the website. You can navigate to any browser, log in using your user credentials on the Bluesky's website, and you will see an interface that will look something like this. Now, on this interface, you will see various posts available. Now, the comments button will be available here. When you click on this comment button, it will show up a page where you can reply to someone. So, this button is for commenting on a post. But to read comments, you'll have to click on that post. Basically, if this is the post, this is the username, I will have to simply click anywhere on this text. So click anywhere on the text and it will open up that post. Here, you're going to simply read all the comments that will be available on this post. As you can see, this post only has one comment. You can navigate to other post, click anywhere near it, then it will open up that post on another page where you can scroll down and read all the comments. This post has 169 comments. As you can see, these are the comments on this post. Now you can also click on comment button, any other comment, and write another reply to this person. You can also like this comment, repost this comment, or quote any post that you want. Or just simply click on this comment button and reply to this post. You can like it using this button, you can repost this using this button, you can share this post using this button. So simply navigate to any post that you want to read the comments for, click on the text for that post, or click on an area that is empty near that post. This will bring up that post on another page where you can easily read comments on that post. So that is how you read comments on Bluesky. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.